Hi guys, it's omcclenon. I'm a senior at Tick High School. I hope y'all are having a somewhat great break. Today, I'm going to be making a video about how to use Google Classroom, Google Slides, and Google Docs, just to give y'all some type of instruction. To sign into Google Classroom, you're going to type in classroom.google.com, and when you get to the page, you're going to be using your school email, which is the first initial of your first name, your entire last name, at student.tigisd.org. So the first page you'll see is your classes page, an overview of all your classes. As you can see, the thumbnail shows stuff that is due today in those classes or things that are coming up. So in the dots in the corner, you can access your slides and your docs, and we're going to open slides first. I'm just going through the template gallery, and that can be helpful in any of your assignments that you have. There's TIG ISD templates, and there's also just general Google Slide templates. I just clicked on a regular template. Of course, you can edit them. One option you have is to share, which is that yellow button in the corner, and that'll allow you to type in your teacher's email address. All of your teacher's email addresses is the first initial of their first name, their entire last name, and it's at tigisd.org. So that's one way you can share. But most teachers, if they post an assignment on their Google Classroom, they expect you to turn it in that way. So opening my forensics class, just to give you an example of how I'm turning it in, you click on your assignment, and in the space where it says your work, you can add or create something. So the little drop down menu gives you a series of options. Google Docs and Google Slides are part of that, and that's a way you can just create your document from there and already be attached. But in the case that you don't, you can click on your Google Drive file, and it'll most likely be the first thing that pops up is the thing you just worked on. So I'm attaching that file and I'm adding it, and I'm going to turn it in now. So say you turned in the wrong one or got to add something to it, you can always unsubmit and resubmit later. When you go back to your document, you're going to notice that your access has expired. It's going to pop up, and that's one way to know that you have turned it in. Now we are going back to the dots, and this time we're going to click on the Google Docs so that I can show you how to attach that to an assignment as well. So once again, we're clicking on an assignment, and when we press add or create, this time we'll go back to Google Drive and you'll attach it the same way, and we just press turn in, submit your turn in, and once again you can always unsubmit a document if you need to make changes. Sadly, this is the end of our mini lesson, guys. I hope this was a help to y'all, and I miss y'all so much. Feel free to email me. My email will be in the description box below.